So here we are in our trailer, our very last day of the season camping. Doesn't mean we're done. The process is a little time consuming, but we always like to make sure that all liquids are out. Anything that is operated by a battery is out. So we have a ton of bins. We use these type of bins for all our cleaning supplies, anything that's coming out of the bathroom, all the liquids. And actually we just store everything at home in these bins. So all we have to do is grab them. We actually use these type of bins for all our food items, all our spices, and also we put all the electronics and battery operated stuff. So all we have to do is grab the bin and then we're on the road. So coming back out, even after we winterized, is really quite simple. It's this time of year, as you can see, I've taken all the bedding off the beds. We're going to take everything home and wash it, and it'll be stored in a bin. Grab the bin and come out. Everything's been wiped down. I've done a really thorough clean. We may be coming out again, so we haven't, and it's kind of cold out, so we didn't scrub the floors or shampoo the carpets. We'll actually do that in the spring prior to actually camping. So we'll come out and do a really thorough clean because it does get dusty over the winter. A pointer that I wanted to note, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, if it's still in here, is we use peppermint oil on cotton balls, and we just put a dab on it and put it any possible entrance into the trailer, which we don't think there are any entrances at this point for mice, little critters, because over the winter they like someplace warm to go, and we've just used spray foam anywhere that we thought there could be any entrances, but you can't be too careful. Also, another pointer with that is to put a dab of peppermint oil on the cotton balls and put them on the outside of the trailer underneath, and then they just don't like peppermint. I don't know why, but it really makes the trailer smell really pretty. So we are about to head out, unfortunately, but there'll be other weekends. We found out things about McLean Creek, that if it's full, it's never full. Hint, hint. There's always a way to camp out here if you just talk to the right people. So when we pack up, we put our chairs, our outside chairs, laying on beds or on the dinette. Our camp stove lies on the floor here so it doesn't get in the way of the slides. And I think, John, we're almost ready. So we'll be doing the outside winterizing once we get back to where we park our trailer. We've got to empty everything now. We need to find a dump and dump the toilet and get all the excess water out of the trailer. And then we'll go and flush the system with some antifreeze. Until next time, sad face.